Good morning class. Today topic your problem solving of exercise 6.3. This is the different in exercise 6.2. 6.2 having only one inequalities and 6.3 having the 1, 2, 3, 4 inequalities. Yes, now start the solution here. Solve the following system of inequalities graphically. Here two inequalities, x greater than equal to 3, y greater than equal to 2. There are two different inequalities, means two graph we will do here. Suppose one equality is the one graph, two equalities the two graph, three equalities then three graph. Then according graph will be depend on the inequalities. Yes, now start the solution. First here step first. Consider inequality as a strict equations. Means x equal to 3, this is the third equation, or y equal to, this is the fourth equation. Consider the inequalities as strict equations. Or here only single value here, x and y. Means step second not required here. Then step second, what is the step second? Find the value of the point on x and y axis. So this step is not required here. Step second, you will change. Find the points on the x and y axis. This is not required here. Just directly you can write here. Find the points on x axis and y axis. Here already point given here, that not required here table. Means x equal to 3 and y equal to 2, two graphs here, two graph. X equal to 3, it means y equal to 0, or y equal to 2, it means x equal to 0. Then two graph will draw here. Then step third, plot the graphs. Step third, plot the graphs here. Then x axis plus x dash, y to y dash. First graph is x equal to 3. This is the parallel graph of the y axis. And y equal to 2. This is the parallel of the x axis. So suppose here 1 and 2. And this here x1, 2 and 3. When you draw the x y equal to 2, this is the graph of the y equal to 2. This is the graph of the y equal to 2. Because of point, this is the point here A, 0, 2. And this is the graph of the x equal to 3. This point here, this point will be a B point, and this is your A point, 3, 0. This point here B, 0, 2 your B point, or 3, 0 your A point. It means x equal to 3 parallel to the y axis, y equal to 0, y equal to here 0, and y equal to 2 means parallel to the x axis, x here 0. So then step third, step fourth, put 0 0 in equality first and second in the both equalities. We will put the 0 0 first and second. What here? 0 greater than equal to 3, this is the false, and 0 greater than equal to 2, this is also is the false. Means both the inequalities first and second having the false. So you can say then the shaded regions of both graph, that the shaded regions of both the graph is away from the origin, This is the false, away from the origin. This is the false, away from the origin. That means this all false. This is the false, means this is the false part in this way, and this is the false part. This is the false also. This part is your common. This part is your common. This part is your common part. This is your common portion. So this is your solution part. What is the solution part? This is not solution. This is not solution. Is solution part your common shaded part. Those are the common shaded. This is called the solutions of given inequalities. Yes, you will note down here. So hence the common shaded region, this portion, only this portion, common shaded portions is solution of given inequalities. So both the equalities, where is the solution part of the both equalities? This is the solution part. This is the solution parts of the given equalities. This portion is not solution, because only your both portion, and because you have two inequalities, then common portion of both the inequalities. Suppose you have three inequalities, then common portion of three inequalities. Suppose you have four inequalities, then common portion of the four inequalities. Means how many inequalities are? This is depend common portion of the all inequalities. This is called the solution region of the given inequalities. Yes, you note down first step only fourth. Exercise 6.2 or 6.3 is same here. Because here only number of inequalities are more. Exercise 6.2 only one equality, as exercise 6.3 having more inequalities, but steps only same here. 4 step. Exercise 6.4 4 steps, exercise 6.3. So both exercise having the steps same, but solution region, those is the common part here. This is called the solution region. Just note down. Yes, student, next question I am taking question number 3rd here. Exercise same here कि 2x, first inequality है 2x plus y greater than equal to 6. Second equality है 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12. Solving steps same. Here two inequalities means two graph. And what is the solution here? The common part of the both the graph will be your solution region. Yes, now start the solution here. Step first. What is the step first? Consider inequality in equation in as a strict equation. Strict equation. First we have 2x plus y get equal 6, this is the third, and here 3x plus 4y equal to 12, this is your fourth. Step first work is complete. Consider inequations as strict equations. 2x plus y equal to 6, this is the first. 3x plus 4y equal to 12, this is your second equation converted into fourth equations. Step second here, find the points on x-axis and y-axis. Find the points on x-axis and y-axis, both the equations. Yes, now first here 2x plus y equal to 6. Look here, suppose this is the x and this is the y. Suppose you are putting the value y equal 0. When you putting the value y equal 0, the value of the 2x equal to 6 means x equal to 3. Or when you putting x equal to 0, directly this term will be 0, the y value. When putting x equal to 0, the y equal to 6. Y equal 6. When you putting y equal to 0, the value of the x to x 3. Or when x equal to 0, then y equal to 6. 4, line here 3x plus 4y equal to 12. xy. Suppose you are putting y equal 0. Suppose you are putting y equal 0 here. So what value of the 3x equal to 12, x equal to 4. When putting the x equal to 0, x equal 0, so 4y equal to 3, the y equal to 3. Value of the y equal to 3, 4 3 is 12. So these are the points on x-axis and y-axis, both the graphs, both the lines. Step third. Step third, plot the graph point here, first graph, when x maximum value x is 4, first here make a 1, 2, 3 and 4, this is the x-axis, and next y maximum value of the y is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is the value of the y, this is the y x dash and this is the y dash. After that, first plot the points on the graph here, first lines 0, 3. Here, this is the point here 0, 3. This name of this point here A. I am taking this point number 0, 3, 0. This is the 3, 0. And here B point here 0, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the point B. Or here 0, 6. After that, you check this. These are greater than equal, less than equal. Equal sign including, then you can draw the dark line here. With help of the scale, we will draw this point and this point, join these points. After that, plot second graph points here, 4 0 and 0 3. But this is the x equal to 4 here. This is the point, suppose P point. This is the 4 0 and here 0 3 1 2 3. This is the point, suppose here Q. We are 0 3. This point here 0 3 at this point. Then you will draw this point here. This is the x-axis. PQ points here, this second graph, and AB points here, first graph. So now after that you will plotting the graph what is come there. After that you will write there step 4. Step 4. Put 0 0 in equations first and second. We will put the 0 0 in equation first and second. Now 2x plus 4y greater than equal to 6. Putting here 0 0. 0 plus 0 greater than equal to 0 equals 6. Then this is the false. This is the false. When you putting here 0 0, this is condition come here false condition, because 0 is not greater than equal to 6. 0 is not greater than equal to 6. This condition here false. Then you can say is shaded region. Then you can say thus. Then the shaded region away from the origin. This is the only first. After that you are putting here 0 0 here. Now 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12. So then putting here 0 plus 0 less than equal to 12. This is condition here true. This condition, suppose you are putting here 0 0. So then result come here two conditions. The 0, 12 is greater than of 0. 12 is greater than of 12 is greater than to 0. Then you can say here then the shaded region towards the origin. Different thing here. This is the away from the origin. This solution region of the inequality is the first, away from the origin, or solution region of the inequality is second, toward the origin. Then this is your 0 3 and 6 0. This is your first, away from the origin. This is your away from, in this equal away from the origin. This is away from the origin. This is the away from the origin. Third, 2x plus, this is away from the origin. And this one here toward the origin. This one here toward the origin. This is your first portion here 6. Second here 2 out toward the origin. Then this will be toward the origin. This portion your common portion. This portion your common portion. Yes, students, according this inequality is first. These points of this inequality is on x-axis 3 0 and 0 6. The graph of this inequality is 0 6 and 3 0. This graph. A result of this first inequality here away from the origin. So this will be away from the origin. This will be away from the origin. In this way here, and second graph here inequality second here, these are point 4 0 and this is a point PQ, and P and Q here, this point and this point here, PQ point. After that our second result come here toward the origin. Toward the origin means downside of this line. This is your shaded region, this is your common shaded region. This portion is not common, this portion is not common, this portion is your common shaded region. It means the solution region of both the inequalities is this portion. Then you can write in last line here, so common shaded region is solutions of given inequations. Then you can say the common shaded region is a solution of given equations. Both the equations. So both the equations having graph here, this portion your solution region of the both the given equations. So very simple things here. Exercise 6.2 or 6.3 solving step is 4 step only, not more. But here inequalities here more. Here inequations here more. Suppose you have two inequations, then we will draw the two graph. Where is the solution region? The common shaded portion your solution region. So then first write this inequation. Step first, consider the equation in the strict equations form. After that you will find the points on the x-axis and y-axis, both the inequations here. Then first equations here point this, or second equation of point this. After that in step third, these points plot on the graphs. This is the PQ points and this is the AB points. This is the AB points. Then step fourth, put 0 0 in equation first and second. Here you will put in equation first and second, you are putting the 0 0 here. The what result you are coming here? In equation first you are putting the result here false. Then you can say the shaded region away from the origin. So this is the first. This is your first away from. This is your first any graph. So this will be outside of this. Our second graph your shaded region is the from away from the origin. Second graph your this. So then this is condition here true. Then you can say shaded region toward the origin. So this is your second graph. PQ. So this is toward the origin. This is the toward the origin. This complete portion. But where your solution region your only common shaded part. This portion not solution, this portion is not solution, this portion is not solution. Only solution region of this your common shaded part. Yes, note down you, and every question solved in this method, there is no problem and you are getting the answer. But you will solve step by steps. Yes, note down.